Meet the MULE Garage Fan, the heavy-duty airflow powerhouse designed to tackle the toughest garage environments. Whether you're wrenching on a car, organizing tools, or just cooling down after a hard day's work, the MULE is your ultimate garage companion. Built like a tank, the MULE features an industrial-grade metal frame with a wide, stable base and oversized wheels for easy mobility. Its all-weather design makes it perfect for garages, workshops, warehouses, and even outdoor workspaces. Under the hood, a powerful high-torque motor delivers up to 6,500 CFM of airflow. That's enough to cool large areas quickly and keep air circulating, even in the dead heat of summer. With 3-speed settings, you're in full control of your airflow. What really sets the MULE apart is its rotating 360-degree tilt head, allowing you to direct airflow exactly where you need it. Up toward the ceiling to clear fumes, or down low to dry floors and keep you cool. Need to move it around? No problem. The integrated handle and rugged wheels make repositioning effortless, while the fan's cord wrap system keeps your space neat and tangle-free. And here's the best part. It runs surprisingly quiet for its size, thanks to precision blade engineering and a balanced motor design, so you get power without the noise. From detailing cars to powering through home improvement projects, the MULE Garage Fan doesn't just move air, it moves with you. Rugged, reliable, ready for anything. The MULE Garage Fan, built for the grind. Welcome to a new era of garage organization with the Gladiator GearTrack Packs, the ultimate wall storage system that transforms clutter into clean, functional space. Let's face it, garages get messy. Tools pile up, sports gear gets buried, cords tangle, and everything you need is somehow never in reach. That's where GearTrack comes in, turning chaos into order with a system designed for the real demands of real life. Each GearTrack pack includes 2 4-foot wall tracks made from ultra-durable, industrial-strength PVC. These tracks are built tough, resistant to moisture, warping, and cracking, and they're rated to support up to 75 pounds per linear foot. That means you can load them up with confidence. Heavy tools, garden equipment, ladders, bikes, even bins full of hardware. Installation is quick and easy. The kit includes all the mounting hardware you need, and it goes right into wall studs for solid support. Once mounted, just snap in the included Gladiator hooks and accessories. No tools required. The hooks lock in securely, yet easily slide and reposition whenever you need to change your setup. Every pack comes with a thoughtful mix of storage options, from utility hooks perfect for cords and hoses, to J-hooks for rakes and shovels, to wide gear hooks for heavier items like backpacks and power tools. And with magnetic trays and bins available, even the smallest screws and bits stay organized. What really sets GearTrack apart is its modular flexibility. As your needs grow, just add more tracks. Whether you're organizing a single wall or building out an entire gear wall across your garage, GearTrack scales with you. And it's not just for tools. Use it for sports gear, camping equipment, fishing rods, or cleaning supplies. It's a total garage solution, sleek, durable, and incredibly effective. So if you're ready to reclaim your workspace, eliminate the clutter, and get organized like a pro, it's time to gear up. Gladiator GearTrack Packs. Hang it, store it, own it. Introducing the ICS 410S, the compact, high-performance chainsaw solution engineered for precision, power, and professional results right from your garage. If you work with concrete, masonry, or heavy-duty materials, you know that standard tools just won't cut it, literally. That's where the ICS 410S steps in, bringing diamond chain technology to your hands, without the bulk or complexity of larger industrial models. The ICS 410S is a gas-powered, 10-inch guide bar concrete chainsaw designed for clean, controlled cuts through concrete, brick, cinder block, and even natural stone. It's the go-to tool for contractors, masons, remodelers, or any serious DIYer looking to cut with accuracy and ease. What makes it so effective? At the heart is ICS's exclusive diamond chain system, which enables plunge cuts, square corners, and narrow openings that circular saws simply can't match. It cuts from one side with no overcut, giving you cleaner lines and saving time. On patchwork, powered by a robust 76 cubic centimeters gas engine, the 410S delivers strong torque and cutting force while maintaining a surprisingly compact and maneuverable form. It's built with rugged, all-metal construction, vibration dampening, and ergonomic grips, so even tough jobs feel a little easier. And when it comes to water management, the integrated water supply system keeps dust down and blade temperatures low, ensuring safer, cleaner cuts in less time. Perfect for installing windows, doors, electrical boxes, plumbing access, or even demolition, the ICS 410S puts professional cutting power in your hands, right where you need it. Compact, precise, relentlessly tough. The ICS 410S slice through stone, not your schedule. Say goodbye to lost screws, bolts, and tiny parts with the magnetic foldable parts tray. The simple yet brilliant garage essential that keeps your workspace clean, organized, and efficient. Whether you're working under the hood, fixing a bike, or assembling furniture, this tray has your back. It features a strong built-in magnetic base that grips onto metal surfaces like toolboxes, lift arms, car hoods, and workbenches, keeping your nuts, bolts, washers, and bits securely in place, even if you're working at an angle or upside down. But here's the game changer: it folds flat. Made with a flexible, high-durability silicone body, this tray easily collapses for storage in tight spaces and instantly pops open into a multi-compartment parts holder when you need it. It's perfect for mobile mechanics, tight garages, or anyone short on space. The magnetic field runs across the base and up the sides, meaning even the smallest metal parts won't roll or rattle away. Plus, the silicone material is oil-resistant, easy to clean, and won't scratch paint or delicate surfaces. From fender work to electronics repair, the magnetic foldable parts tray is the portable, dependable sidekick you didn't know you needed until now. Stay organized. Stay efficient. No more missing parts. The magnetic foldable parts tray, smart storage, wherever you work. Meet the Ryco Flexible Funnel, the ultimate no-mess, no-hassle solution for pouring fluids in the garage, the workshop, or out in the field. Unlike traditional funnels that are rigid and awkward, the Ryco funnel is fully flexible, crafted from high-grade, oil-resistant silicone that bends, folds, and holds its shape exactly how you need it. Whether you're working in tight engine bays or pouring into hard-to-reach tanks, this funnel adapts to your angle, not the other way around. Its wide mouth allows for easy, controlled pours from bulky containers, while the narrow spout fits into even the smallest openings. Perfect for oil, coolant, brake fluid, fuel additives, and more. But here's what makes it a must-have for any garage. It's durable, heat-resistant, and completely reusable. No more one-time use plastic funnels. And no more spills down the side of your engine. The Ryco's anti-drip edge design keeps your work area clean and your workflow smooth. After use, just rinse it off or throw it in the dishwasher. It's that simple. And when you're done, it folds flat, taking up virtually no space in your drawer, toolbox, or glove compartment. From professional mechanics to weekend warriors, the Ryco Flexible Funnel is the tool you'll reach for again and again. Simple, smart, indispensable. Ryco Flexible Funnel, because the perfect pour should never be a pain. Welcome to the future of garage organization. Meet the RYOBI Link modular storage system, where innovation, power, and precision come together to turn chaos into clarity. Whether you're a weekend DIY warrior, a tool collector, or a seasoned craftsman, Link is designed to revolutionize the way you store, move, and access your gear. At the heart of the system is the Link Wall Rail, a robust, heavy-duty mounting track that locks into your wall studs and transforms empty vertical space into a customizable command center. Just snap it in and lock it down. No guesswork, no hassle. From there, the possibilities unfold. Need to store power tools, garden gear, or ladders? The interchangeable hooks, shelves, and bins let you build your space your way. Each piece features the signature Link locking interface, rock solid and secure. No more slipping hooks or mystery piles on your workbench. But our RYOBI didn't stop at the wall. With the Link rolling toolboxes and mobile storage crates, your system goes where you go. Tough polycarbonate shells, all-terrain wheels, and reinforced handles mean your tools are safe. on the move, on the job, or in the trunk. Add in the RYOBI One Plus compatibility, and now your battery-powered tools, chargers, and accessories integrate seamlessly with your storage. It's all designed to work together, organized, mobile, and ready. No more digging through drawers. No, more cluttered shelves. No more wasted time. This isn't just storage. It's a modular ecosystem built for inventors, makers, and pros who demand more from their space. RYOBI Link, organize, access, mobilize. Because your garage isn't just a place, it's your launchpad.